Hello and welcome! This year marks the 77th annual IASB Convention. We are so excited to welcome you to this year's convention scheduled for November 16th through 18th at the Iowa Events Center. Once you have completed your registration for convention, you will receive an email inviting you to access SCHED, our digital event program, to set your profile and view our convention programming and event details. I'm IASB's Convention and Events Director, Tiffany Rudd, and I will be your tour guide for this video tour of our digital program, SCHED. Let's get started! To access SCHED, visit www.iasb2022.sched.com. In the top right corner, click Sign Up and select the option that best applies to you. To create your account, simply complete the fields as shown. Once you have created your account, you can log in at any time from the home page. You may want to bookmark this page to make it easy to access at any time. For added convenience, SCHED is available on your mobile device. You can download SCHED from the App Store, Google Play, or by visiting sched.com/sched-app. As you navigate through the program, click the banner at the top of the page to return home at any time. Let's scroll down to show you the features of building your personal itinerary for convention. This menu bar provides quick access to viewing the schedule, featured presenters, sponsors, exhibitors, and other attendees at this year's convention. The Schedule tab provides a variety of ways to see the schedule of events. In the simple view, just hover your mouse over the title to show the description and details of each session. The expanded option provides descriptions for each session, while the grid option appears more like a calendar. When viewing it by venue, you'll see the sessions that are outlined according to the room location at the Iowa Events Center. Sessions are categorized and color-coded. You can easily sort the sessions by selecting from the filters on the right-hand side of the screen. For example, click on Education Sessions, and all education sessions appear. Another option is to filter by board standard. To view all sessions within those categories, simply click Clear Filter at any time to see the full schedule. When viewing the schedule, simply hover your mouse over a session to see a brief description of the topic, along with details for the time and location of the session. Also shown will be the presenter details and any documents or supporting materials to download for the session. Now, to build your personal itinerary, simply select the sessions to add to your personal schedule. When you select a session, the program will automatically save it to your schedule. The bottom left corner of the screen shows how many sessions have been added to your schedule. Should you change your mind and want to remove a session from your itinerary, simply uncheck it, and it will be removed. You can easily add sessions when you hover over the description and click the Add to My Schedule button on the top left corner. To view your personal schedule, you can click the bar at the bottom left hand of your screen or the My Schedule link located here. This will be connected to your profile picture should you upload one. You can remove sessions from your personal schedule in this view by unclicking as well. Once you have added sessions to your schedule, you can print it, email it, or export your schedule to your calendar. You can easily view your schedule by clicking on your profile button. This will show your photo should you choose to upload one to your profile. The Settings button allows you to manage your profile information and personal details. To make the most out of SCHED, be sure to have your profile settings set to public. Feel free to modify any personal information, upload a photo, and be sure to click Save Settings. Now that we've covered how to create your personal itinerary, let's explore a few other features in SCHED. If you click on the Presenters tab, you'll be able to see the profiles and details of our selected presenters. Click on either the photo or the name to see the profile details, bio, and session information. The Sponsors tab functions the same way as the Presenter tab. You'll be able to view company information and any sponsored details when you click on their company profile. Like the other tabs we've explored, the Attendees tab displays the profiles of all the attendees who have created a SCHED account. To learn more about your fellow attendees, simply click on their photo or their name to see their details. Another feature to be aware of is the search bar on the right-hand side. Simply type in what you'd like to find and click Search. The search will provide relevant information based on your criteria and applies to topics, sponsor companies, and attendee names. As we've done before, you can easily add sessions to your schedule by clicking the session. New for this year, SCHED offers a chat function that allows you to talk directly with other attendees. To utilize this function, you'll need to engage the settings in your profile. As we've seen earlier, click the Settings button and make sure that your profile is set to public. Be sure to click Save Settings once you have that engaged. To use the chat function, click the purple speech bubble at the top of the page. Again, the chat function is only available to those of you who have adjusted your profile settings to public. The speech bubble icon will be grayed out if you have not adjusted your settings, so please be sure to check your profile and adjust your settings to use the chat feature. Inside the chat function, you'll see a list of people whose profiles have been set to public. If you're looking for someone who does not appear on the list, chances are their profile has not been adjusted correctly and you won't be able to chat with them. To send a chat message, select the person you'd like to chat with, and then click the green Start Chat button. A chat window will appear. Enter your message and click Send. To exit the chat, click the X. This will show a list of all the people you have chats with. To message multiple people at once, select the number of people you'd like to chat with to form a group. Start the chat, enter your message, and click Send. Once inside a group chat, the menu bar at the top of the chat box will allow you to invite more people to the group by clicking on the plus sign. Clicking the member list icon will display everyone in the group. The exit arrow icon will let you leave the group chat, and clicking on the X will close that message and show you a list of all active chat messages. The note icon will bring you back to the main screen showing the list of attendees to chat with. Like other programs, you'll receive a notification when a new message is received. Take some time to play with this feature. It will be a great way to connect with other attendees during convention. Well, that about covers it. Thank you for watching this video tour of our convention program, SCHED. If you have any questions about this program or our upcoming convention plans, please email us at convention@iasb.org. On behalf of everyone at IASB, we look forward to seeing you in November. We hope you have a great convention experience, and as always, let us know how we can help you. See you soon!